Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. Lately, many people have discovered that goat's milk is a source of dairy that is easier on the stomach than cow's milk. However, it tends to be quite pricey. Well, this goat's milk powder by Micro Ingredients provides an affordable option to get some goat's milk. It's very easy to mix up fresh goat's milk by simply following the instructions using 3 rounded scoops with 8 ounces of warm or hot water and just chilling in the fridge. This goat's milk powder has no added ingredients. One way that I love to use goat's milk powder is to simply mix it into my porridge in the morning, such as oatmeal. I use 1 or 2 rounded scoops and just mix it directly in. The texture of the powder of this goat's milk is granular, so it dissolves very easily in liquid. For the price, you also get a 2-pound bag, which has 129 servings if you consider 1 scoop as 1 serving. What I really love about this goat's milk is that when you drink it, you can instantly taste that this milk is from a goat. It gives foods a very creamy, delicious taste. And the milk that you mix from it as well is very creamy and delicious. So if you're looking for an affordable way to get your goat's milk, try this goat's milk powder from Micro Ingredients. And that is my point of view.